Shanae here. In today's video, I'll be playing Five Nights at Freddy's 3. This game has been requested by someone in my family that's named Samantha, which is my sister. So I'm just gonna be playing. And by the way, jump scared and some screaming are gonna happen. So if you don't like these type of stuff, just click away. 12 nights. Okay, I apologize for the sounds because my cousin is watching funny videos. Let's see.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. Some great new relics over the weekend, and we're out tracking down a new lead right now. So let me just update you real quick, then you can get to work. Like the attraction opens in like a week, so we have to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire. When the place opens, people will come in at the opposite end of the building and work their way toward you, then past you and out the exit.
So when it's 5 a.m., that's when we made it.
Part of the attraction. You'll be starring as a security guard. So not only will you be monitoring the people on the camera as they pass through, you know, to make sure no one steals anything or makes out in the corner, but you'll also be a part of the show. It'll make it feel really authentic.
I'm really scared to play this game, but I just download it because my little cousin also loves Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh my god, I got so scared when I see that.
Very old school, metal though. Watch the fingers. Right now the place is basically just, you know, flashing lights and spooky props. I honestly thought we'd have more by now. If we don't have something really cool by next week, then we may have to suit you up in a furry suit and make you walk around saying, oh. But you know, like I said, we're trying to track down a good lead right now. Some guy who helped design one of the buildings says it was like an extra room that got boarded up or something like that. So we're going to take a peek and see what we can find. For now, just get comfortable with the new setup. You can check the security cameras over to your right with the click of that blue button. You can toggle between the hall cams and the vent cams. Then over to your far left, you can flip up your maintenance panel. You know, use this to reboot any systems that may go offline. In trying to make the place feel vintage, we may have overdone it a bit. Some of this equipment is barely functional. I wasn't joking about the fire. That's a real risk. The most important thing you want to watch for is the ventilation. Look, this place will give you the spooks, man. And if you let that ventilation go offline, then you'll start seeing some crazy stuff, man. Keep that air blowing. Okay, keep an eye on things, and we'll try to have something new for you tomorrow night.
Okay, so it's 5 a.m. I'm gonna play OVO.
Hi.
Okay, 6 a.m. already. Okay, so we did reach, okay, so I just reached it. The good thing is that, okay, so we're doing it. Okay, so we're doing great. Okay. Okay, so now we got in what's happening. Oh, the second night. Okay. Oh crap, I got scared.
Hey man, okay.
So that's it for the video because I don't want to keep on wasting my time and getting jump scares because I don't want to scare you guys. So if you want me to do part 2, just comment down below in the section because I don't want to get scared anymore and I don't want you guys to get scared too. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Also, don't subscribe, comment down below, and put notifications on. And don't forget, If you want me to do part 2, just comment down below. Yeah.